Hi again, everybody. Here's a quick update of our little 330. First of all, it's been cleaned, and of course, stickers everywhere. And pretty much all it needs now, in preparation for the snow that's probably going to hit us pretty soon, is these winter tires. And speaking of which, actually, what kind of an animal puts this kind of weight on an aluminum rim? But it is what it is for now, so I digress. And actually, speaking of wheel weights, wheel weight there in balancing that tire is all we needed. Got rid of the driveline vibration. It was a tiny vibration I was feeling. And even the calcium stains are, well, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And really, this car was phenomenal mechanically. It just needed a boost and an oil change. And, well, this window regulator in the back here, which we changed out, and now that works. And it was ready to go, and it runs great. Now inside you can actually see the color of the leather now finally, which is awesome. And because it's in such good shape, it really just comes down to the toys. So it now has quasi-automatic headlights, and that's only because I didn't install the windshield sensor that should go here. Now it's an optical sensor, and I think I have to wire it all the way from here, from my kick panel, up the pillar, and through here under the trim, and out to the sensor, but I don't feel like doing that right now, to be honest, so we're going to leave it as is. And when I do actually wire that sensor, though, I'm probably going to enable the automatic wipers as well. So that'll be fun, but for now, it is what it is. Oh, and it does have homelink now, which is awesome. That actually works pretty well. And even the Harman Kardon audio, which is a great sounding audio system. But while I was driving this thing around, which by the way, I think I've driven it now, let's see, almost 700 kilometers. There's a tiny vibration and a little bit of distortion coming from that door there. Now, I thought it was either this driver here or maybe that one there. I didn't think it was the tweeter, so I didn't get a tweeter, but I tried to swap out both of the other drivers. And when I took the door panel off, I noticed someone else was playing in there at one point in this car's life because some of the screws were actually loose. But all is well now, so we have no more vibrations. We got some proper tunes. And really, the only annoyance left, besides the obvious, is the reverse tilting mirror. So this car should have a feature that here, I think it should be when you flick it to the passenger side switch, but in this car, it's working oddly, so it's on the driver's side. When you put the car in reverse, that mirror should tilt down, but ours is actually tilting up. So, thinking that maybe, excuse me, thinking that maybe this switch was the culprit, I swapped that out to see if it changed its behavior at all, and that did nothing. And then while I had that door panel out, I actually swapped the memory module that's in there, and that did nothing. So, if anyone has any idea, if you've experienced this problem at all and have any idea of how to solve it, I think at this point I have to look at the motor itself from the mirror, but if you have any idea, please let me know. Now luckily we can just disable this thing and just flip it back to there, flip the mirror to where we want it, and all is well. But really that's the only other annoyance left. And yeah, we got some tunes, so we're pretty good.